So here we've got Trek's 1.2 road bike. This is the 1 series is Trek's entry-level road bike platform. The 1.2 comes with the new 100 series Alpha aluminium frame. Got a carbon fork there. The H2 geometry, which is now used throughout Trek's range. You find that on here. So it's a perfect example of an entry-level model taking advantage of those sort of £3,000, £4,000, £5,000 models and that sort of technology over a couple of years, filtering down to the lower price points. Despite its relatively low price point, you're getting Shimano Sora group set, FSA chain set, 9-speed out at the back there. Shimano Sora STIs, the new STIs for 2013. Bontrager finishing kit, Bontrager wheels. Perfect bike as a first road bike. It's a great bike as well if you want to use this as a winter training bike. It's got full mudguard and rack eyelets, so it's a perfect companion for using throughout the year. So great winter bike, great entry level first road bike. Here at Rutland Cycling, £699, collecting store only. Give us a shout if you want to try one out.